In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. By opening Settings. Now scroll to choose Safety and Emergency section. And when you're ready, choose Emergency Contacts. Now, before doing anything, hit Change Setting in this pop-up. And make sure this switcher next to Show When Locked is blue. Thanks to it, your emergency numbers will be accessible on a locked screen. You can also click on this switcher next to Share during emergency call to enable or disable your info being shared with first responders when you make an emergency call. That's just a side note though. Let's go back to emergency numbers. Go back, tap on Add Contact here, and click on the one you want to set up. When you're finished, you need to do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. So misclick. Now, if you want to change order of your numbers on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold 1, drag it to the proper place, and let go. Then choose Save at the top right corner to save your list. In order to delete any contact, use this X next to the one you wanna get rid of, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Don't worry, this action won't delete the number, it will only remove it from this list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!